9 years after Congress first asked the FDA to define what constitutes a gluten-free food, the FDA announced its new definition of gluten-free Friday morning. Before Friday's announcement, food companies were able to essentially make their own decisions about what to consider gluten-free. Gluten refers to types of proteins that naturally occur in grains such as wheat, barley, and rye. The new announcement is welcome news for the more than 3 million people currently suffering from celiac disease, an autoimmune condition triggered by consuming gluten. The disease can cause small intestine damage, infertility, osteoporosis, and even intestinal cancer. So how much is too much? The FDA has announced that for a food to be considered gluten-free, it must have no more than 20 parts per million of gluten. So far, the reception has been good. USA Today talked to people with celiac disease who say it gives them more peace of mind knowing something will actually be gluten-free when the label says so. And the Washington Post points out demand continues to rise as more people are diagnosed with the disease. The paper adds sales of gluten-free products hit more than $4 billion last year and could rise to more than $6 billion by 2017. The New York Times adds the FDA means business when it comes to enforcing the future rule, although most companies are expected to abide by the new guidelines. The agency has tools to keep companies in compliance. It can seize products whose gluten level is above the limit or require companies to recall products. Food manufacturers have until September of 2014 to change their labeling in accordance with the new FDA guidelines. For Newsy, I'm Candace Avilés.